learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The Muma Dao Ruins is an old trail that runs parallel to the Neiwan Railway. In the 1930s and 40s, the people of Neiwan used toboggan-like carts to carry timber, each one hauling 1 to 2 tons each. Typically, married couples would team up to haul the wood, the husbands pulling from the front and the wives pushing from the back. Since time is money, workers would carry as much timber as possible and as fast as they could. But due to the rough terrain, they'd often lose control of the wooden horse, resulting in crushed hands and feet.
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time to talk about Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。Hello，
你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. This whole month, we're taking you around Hsinchu County, different places that are interesting. And today, we're gonna go where, Leo? 我们今天要到新竹县哪里呢？
我们来去那个内湾好了。
哎，这我去过内湾嘛，这有什么好介绍的？
有你不知道的嘞？
是吗？
木马偷遗址你知道吗？
什么木马偷遗址？
木马偷就是给木马走的一条路。
我没有看到这个。
木马就是在运木头的一种工具。
哦，它是以前古代人来运送木头的一个工具。
对，然后现场也还看得到木马。
Interesting. I actually missed this in Neiwan because Neiwan is a very popular tourist attraction. What sounds like a wooden horse, but it's really a cart that transports wood and other goods during the good old days. And you can actually see the historic site of that there, and it's called 木马道。
以前通常都是夫妻一起来载运木头，上山的时候哇重得要命。下山的时候太危险了。
哎，对，那边山坡地嘛，所以就是上坡下坡都有各有自己的危险跟辛苦在。
他通常都是一个人在前面来，就是拉，
哎，就是拉过来的
感觉。一个人在后面送，送叫做推。
That is very interesting, and we just learned 2 new vocabulary right here. Because back in the days, you know, husbands and wives would actually be pushing and pulling this cart, but because this is in the mountains, it's actually very dangerous. Going uphill, it's very hard. Going downhill, it becomes very dangerous because maybe you can't break the cart. And so to push, it's called 推 送, but to pull, it's called
来
All right, go check it out. It's over at 内湾 and trail is called 木马道
木马偷
and go imagine them pulling 拉 来 and pushing 推要送 and that does it for today's Talk About Hakka
什么泰嘎
俺只say 张来了
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.